Hello, good evening. This is Ate Malu or Tita Malu. I'm here at Sheikh Khalifa Emergency Room. And today is December 17, 2025. It's 7:20 p.m. I'm just finished my duty from my present allocation in pediatric triage. I'm doing this video for the birthday of my dearest and beloved Sheikha, the daughter of my only sister, my beloved sister Teresa, who is turning 18 this December. I'm still remembering the day you was born. You are very cute, little girl, baby girl. And I still remember just want to tell you the very memorable story that all of us never forget in our entire life. When you are still baby, don't remember you're less than a year old. That was February 20, but I'm sorry, I cannot remember the year. I was on vacation. Maybe that is afternoon 2 p.m. I was having my afternoon nap because, being an emergency nurse is really exhausting. And if you will go for vacation, you just want to rest and sleep. So I was on my deep sleep that afternoon. Then I heard alarming screaming from my sister in the next room. If you are a nurse, especially if you are emergency nurse, even you are sleeping, I don't know. I still recognize the urgency of that scream. I know it's really an emergency, something really major problems going on. So suddenly I jumped out of the bed together with my mother, Herminia. Both of us went to the door, opened the door, and I saw my sister holding Sheikha, which is already cyanotic, purple. And she's hysterical, she's panicking. And she gave Sheikha to my mother, and my mother got shocked. Of course, then I took immediately Sheikha, and I know already that she's already unresponsive. No response at all. And she's really cyanotic. She's not breathing. So, and we are living on the 3rd floor. What I did is I did on respiratory breathing, rescue breathing to you, Sheikha, immediately. And because we're living in the 3rd floor, I don't want to fall with you. So I get down from the stairs, sitting using my buttocks to move myself down while I'm holding you and doing a resuscitation to you, because I don't want to miss any seconds, because I know it counts. And your mama is screaming like hell. She's really panicking. And I understand why. You know, even while I'm doing your resuscitation, I have this fear, and I told to myself that if I didn't revive you, I will quit nursing. Really, I told to myself. Then when we reached to the OR, I'm doing CPR to you, and Jen is doing the breathing. And your mama is... I'm also concerned with her because she's really uncontrollable. So I told her, shut up. I told your mom, shut up. Instead of screaming, you pray. You pray to our Lord to bring Sheikah back to us. And you know what happened? Just one more rounds of CPR. You responded. You responded. You breathed. You cried. Then I told to your mama, no need for screaming anymore. Sheikah is back. She's back. Then we brought you to nearest hospital. And they put you, because, you know, when I need a doctor to examine you immediately, the nurses put an oxygen to you, but they uses a, I don't know what is that, like cardboard, improvised face mask. Then I told the nurse, what is that? And the nurse said, because we don't have available face mask for oxygen. So after knowing that, I immediately called for transfer to the biggest hospital. So we transfer you to Medical City. You're okay that time. And when we reach there, you are admitted, I think 1 or 2 days, and you're okay. Now look at you. You're a lady now. And I heard that from your mama that you want to be a nurse. I hope I can give you this throat. Just a piece of advice. You know, being a nurse is the most noble work. I'm always telling to myself, hey, why I talk nursing? If I know I will live in hell, I will not take nursing. I'm just telling that out of frustration, exhaustion. But at the end of the day, it's giving you a different kind of fulfillment. If you save lives, if you help people from suffering, one day you will experience that after all you have done. You are hungry, you are dead tired, but just one smile and thank you from your patient. It will make your day already and you can sleep well at home. Just how the nurses do. My only advice to you, if you will be a nurse, is only one tip. Always treat your patient as your family, your most beloved someone. Because if you are treating your beloved someone, you will not commit mistake. Because you're always making sure that you're doing the right thing. Make sure that you will do the right thing. And don't let a stupid doctor harm your patient. Fight with them. As long as it's regarding the safety of your patient. Take care of your mama, your daddy, Noy. And I wish you all the best. Take care of yourself, your health, because you know our family history. Take care of yourself always. Always. Go to the church. Pray. Always pray to God. I wish you all the best, and you deserve it, Shika, because you are very kind, sweet girl. It's just I don't have the chance to see so you grow, because I spent my whole life taking care of other people. But one thing you should remember, always priority your family. You have only one mother, you have only one father and brother. Always take good care of them. You, I wish I'm there in your debut, but your tita always like this. In the wedding of your mama and your daddy, I'm not there. But I was there when mama delivered you. And you know what? They want to bring your mama to a ordinary, lying in for the delivery and labor area in Pasig, Manila. But I didn't agree. I told I want my sister to deliver in a good hospital with a good doctor, because I want to make sure that, her safety and the baby's safety. And I bought you a very beautiful stroller. Remember the Hello Kitty also I bought for you? I hope we can spend time together with your mama. Always taking care of us. I'm sorry, I'm crying. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And I love you too much. Until the last breath of my life. I will always love you. Your mama. And please, if you feel down, weak, also, please watch again this picture. We will just live once in this world and make the best out of it. If you will be a nurse or a doctor, do it. And always work with your heart. I know we need money, but always, always work with your heart. Happy birthday, Sheka. And I, I just wait for my gift. It will be soon, inshallah. Because I know what you want. So enjoy your day. Be beautiful. Be sexy. Don't be like me and your mama. No? I love you. And take care. Be happy. Money cannot buy happiness. Okay. So always cherish good memories. Cherish all the people who love you. Take care, baby. You'll always be my baby, Sheikh. Forever. I love you and happy birthday. Happy birthday, baby.